check this thing out. This one has remote control, and these are light bulbs that screw into like a light socket, and they're dimmable, they're remote controlled, they're rechargeable. And just looking over them, they have a timing function. They come with a 12,000 milliamp battery built in. They use any type of E26 or E27, which is just a normal regular socket. And they have a little hook where you can hook them and hang them down to recharge them. The bulb has a built-in capacity. It can only be charged with a USB-C, by the way. The lamp is just the holder of the light. Just so you know, they don't charge inside the light, which would have been really awesome if they did that. Colors in them, and they're touch control, so they have a little touch sensor. Let me open them up and show y'all exactly what you get with this box. So open it up here, you get a little set of instructions on how to charge them, some hand control switch, USB charging, the base, turn on, 3,000 to 4,000 natural light, 6,500 daylight lumas, brightness is up and down. And you're gonna get 2 remotes to it. So you get the 2 remotes. You get these little hooks so you can hook it and hang it from a wire, which is probably what I'll do. I doubt I'll run these in the house. But check these things out. They look like a normal light bulb. They have a little like cover right there. And this just looks like this. Just, oh, this screws in there. Oh, check that out. And it just came on. So you would hook it and hang it up. And it looks like you just touch it right there. Oh, that looks awesome. That turns into like a brown, like a neutral color light. That's a bright light, and that's off. Let's try to use the remote with it. Remote has these little, they all have that stupid thing. How about this? Off. Oh, it does work. Look at that. On. Turn it up. That's all the way. There's the white light, the neutral, and just kind of like the brown. Oh, I turned them all on. Look at that. The whole box came on. 100%. You can go 15 minutes all the way up to 120 minutes of timing on them. That's pretty cool. So if the power went out at your house, you could put these in your lamp and then turn them on, and it'd be just like having normal lights out there. And then look, check it out. You control them all with just this remote. Very impressive. Highly recommend these for anybody that's just needing some emergency lights, or you just kind of want a little camping light. Check it out, everybody. I got them set up by my hammock. Look at these things. That's absolutely awesome how well these things work. I highly recommend these for anybody that's just needing some off-the-grid type lights. That's something you could charge these with, like my power bank that runs off a solar panel, and I could live off the grid and run these things forever. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the Boracy cordless remote rechargeable light. See you guys in the next video. Woo!